The woodpecker is out there. Hear it? Because they were messing with cutting down trees around here, so I hadn't heard from the woodpecker. I hear him. So won't you come pick up your clothes? I have them folded. Meet me at the door. Still open. I know it's getting cold out, but someone has ascended. Listen at the woodpecker, and someone's manipulating someone with their emotions, trying to get into their thoughts, or wondering if they love them. Hopefully they're not trying to take them legal, get them into some legal trouble. Thoughts. How can I get this person to come back? Manipulate them with my emotional love thoughts and imprison them. Get them stuck so they won't leave. Meet me at the door while it's still open. And who knows, they might get you in that door in the distant future. They're just like, okay, well, it's okay if I don't have you now. I'm going to figure out how I can get you back. Oh, how? Get a court. Taking it to court. And I'm moving on. Somebody's moving on. It don't matter. The evil eye. The Jezebel spirit. Didn't work. Do you want to get involved with your work and the boss? What? Getting somebody in trouble at work? All for this love spell? Because you want to get somebody to meet you at the door while it's still open? It's karmic. So he's getting some karma. Karma! Somebody was doing some spell work. Seven of Swords there, putting shit in the bathtub. Trying to. Trying to change the truth or the narrative. Well. Mr. Is it Robinson or Mr. Smith? Which is the Matrix? Well. Mr. What is Neo's last name? I don't even know. I want to say Mr. Robinson, child. Thus to me, Mrs. Robinson, that I love you more than you know. Whoa. It's up to me. So somebody may be in love with somebody's mother or some teacher or Mrs. Robinson, whoever that is. What? Jesus loves you more than you could know. Whoa. Stay away from the demons, or you're going to get left with them. Somebody found the phone. The power within the belly, the loins. Gird your loins for reproductive or creative work. Vanity, the use of P over within the kins. What? The word. Child, I don't know. I can't read this. There's something about the loins. Gird your loins the belly, the sun, healing, what you do, right? Isn't that what I do? I do. Mhm. A homemade safe space, thought someone was reworking and growing from the past to changing up things a little and offering it to a family member who was uninterested and offered because they had originated with the prior unit. Some family member had a deal already prior to you being involved. Maybe you didn't know. So it was a setup. It's part of the manipulation to help somebody get whatever it was that they wanted from the other person while the door was still open. Maybe part of the whole surprise or the ritual, I don't know. But the woodpecker, it was wooden, this one.